All right, we're headed down to the prep area, unboxing a new Ducati special edition. Let's go. There she is, 2025 Ducati V4 Tricolore. Ooh, nasty. This thing's got carbon everywhere on it. Number 182 out of 1,000.